special to me. Yes, very, very special to me. It's my birthday month, and yeah. I wasn't supposed to do this, but let me just do it. Let me just My husband promised me something. He said, "What would you like me to do for you for your birthday?" And I said, "Anything?" He said, "Yes, anything." I'm like, "Anything?" He said, "Yes, anything." He goes, I don't want you to buy me a gift. What if you buy people a gift on my behalf? And he's like, Valerie, you want me to spend a lot of money? I'm like, no, not really. But you can. I will calculate the number of people that will come and register this particular month, and you pay me for the gift we're going to buy for them. What about that? And he said, it's a fine idea. I just hope you don't register too much. So guess what? You're going to be getting a sewing machine from Valisimo Fashion. Yes, courtesy of my husband. Thank you, Oluwagbenga Boglo, for doing this for me. I really appreciate you, and you know I always do. Yes. So anybody registering this coming April gets a free sewing machine from us. And it's not just in Lagos. It's in Lagos and in Abuja. And guess what? It's just some days away from now till. So it means when you start registering even from next tomorrow, but you are registering against April, you get a free sewing machine from us. It's the black head though. Don't go and put my husband inside this. So, of course, anybody we give the sewing machine to, my husband will refund me back the money. And you get to win. So, come around. Registration, Yanni. So, this is what we're doing. And we are going all the way. And this is already forming a very lovely style as it is. Okay, guess what? It's because of the way the fabric is right now. That is why this is looking like this. If not, it would even be finer than that if I was using a nicer fabric. But these are the principles and processes of draping. Now, imagine now that we've done it to this line. Imagine I want to do it. I bring a new pieces, right? And I place it across this line. And you know the way this one comes this way? And I carry that one and go like this. And probably stop around the hip. Then I bring another fabric again and do it and go like this. Or the wedding dress today. And it's that simple. And you can do it on any design, any fabric, any color, as long as it's plain. If it's plain fabric, it will come out well. Imagine, let's take it to the next level. Guess what? Oh, can you fashion design me? Oh, man, sweet meat man designer shop. Guess what? Imagine when you get to that stage, you've done it, go like this, you've done it, come like this, done. You now start doing it again. You come and put stone, or you come and put rose, or you come and put bead, or you tack bead around everything, you know. You don't have some designers when they come out with the design, you be like, this thing is fine, someone now most said then they pleat cloth. That's it. It's that simple. Guess what? At the end of the day, usually when you work with a cast like this, you will then need to now shape your armhole out of it. After you iron though, again, there are certain types of irons that they can use for this. It's not a must anyway that you use that particular iron. There's a particular iron that looks like a spoon. Yes, it's called a mini iron. It looks like a spoon and it's so tiny. I can just use it to be ironing this like, well, it looks like lazy man rope. What a gem, what a mouse. You kind of understand what I'm saying. Don't worry, your normal iron. And I'm not saying it's not good, it's good. But your regular iron, you can plug it inside the fire while you're working on your mannequin and you iron the head of the whole iron it on my humble. She gets.
Okay. Where is your address in Lagos?
We are located at number 2 Akinwale Street, Ogba, Lagos. That's where we are located in Lagos. And of course, what else do I want to talk to you about this draping? There was one last thing I should mention. I'm trying to get it back into my head right now. Okay, in the event that one is still escaping my mind right now, do you have any more questions there?
much is the registration?
Okay.
Or can one train with you online?
Training online, you can use our app, our mobile app. I usually upload content there regularly to help you learn the process of sewing. But a one-on-one training, the truth is, I'm too busy for that. Secondly, I don't want to disappoint anybody. So I can't tell you, sorry, come and learn online, and if I don't have the time to follow up, I'll be in trouble. So right now, online training, no. But like I said, the mobile app, which is extremely very important, a lot of people have benefited from it. You can get our trainings from there. Guess what? Also on the DVDs are, oh God, the kind of information I packed there. It's what some people get from us in 3 months, while some people get from us in 6 months. I packed them into the DVD, a summarized version, so that you can be at home and still learn 1 or 2 things in your fashion. Now, what if you decide to come and make inquiries from us at Valisimo Fashion? Let me show you the people you're going to meet. Yes. The people you're going to meet at Valisimo Fashions. Oh, you're going to meet Jackson. See, fine boy. Fine boy, what's your name? Jackson. Hey, oh, fine boy. And you can speak Oyibo. When you ask him question, what's your name? What's your name? What's your Oyibo? Guess what? He's a very lovely person, a very interactive person. Any question you want to find out at all, you can find out from me. Aside from Jackson, there are other people. You can call us on the phone, and guess what? Esther will either pick the phone. Judith will pick the phone. If Judith does not pick the phone, David will pick the phone. If David doesn't pick the phone, Rosalie will pick the phone. If Rosalie doesn't pick the phone, I sometimes, or very rarely, will pick the phone. If not, you would also meet my sister. Come and introduce yourself. And this is my very lovely Sisi. Yes, they would also pick you. Judith, come outside. I don't care. And this is Judith. You already know Esther. You know Jackson now, and these are my team. Everybody here. You say?
Chiso.
There is Chisomo. Chisomo, my powerful tailor. She used to wear style for me, originally style. Okay, so yes, those are the people you're going to be meeting. Come around for this April registration. Thank you so much to Bengabo. Please post there. Thank you so much.
Where can we get the DVD, ma?
Where can you get the DVD? You can get it from our school. Yes, you can get it from our school. Come on. Let me take you back into the yes. This one's a little bit quiet. Yes. Where can you get the DVD from? You can get it from our school. We can also deliver to you. We have a delivery system where if you are in Lagos, we can deliver it within Lagos at 1,000 naira thereabouts. If you are outside Lagos, depending on where you are, it's usually about 3,000 naira flat. This is why it's 3,000 naira. 1,000 naira goes to the delivery man who helps you come pick it up from our school to the bus park, and usually there's a flat rate from the bus park that you pay just 2,000 naira to outside the state, like outside Lagos state. Now if you are working, if you want us to send it to you outside Nigeria, depending on where you are, it's usually a token about 5k can send it to you there, and it will take like 2 working weeks. Yes, that's the cheapest we can get. We have all these other ones like DHL. They are very fast, true, but they are pretty expensive, more than 5k. If you want us to use that as an option, well, you can do it for you, anyone you want. Now, why should you even have the DVD? Please, can you help me get 1 or 2 DVDs there? Why should you have the DVD? How much is the DVD? Okay, the DVD is 10,000 naira for volume 1 and 2. If you are buying 5 of them, instead of paying 25,000 naira, you get to pay 22,000 naira. That gives you a discount of 3k that can enable you ship it to wherever you are. Which means I'm practically paying for you to ship it, and that's a good deal. For the knowledge that people would have naturally come to our school to pay about 150 for, about 250 for, about 350 for. You get that in the DVD for just 25,000. That's a good deal. That's a good deal. Oh no, I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Benga Boglo, for doing this particular promo on their behalf. Here, these are the DVDs. This one is the basic class DVD. This comes with a second one, and this is the advanced class DVD. This is volume 3, and it comes with volume 3, 4, 5 together. And this one is 1 and 2 together. So, if you are looking for what to learn in the basic class, you will get this. If you are looking for what to learn in the advanced class, on this particular board, let me tell you what's here. We have bodice manipulation. Can you see? We have kaftans. We have kimono jackets. We have introduction into male designs. We have male buba. We have male buba and shokoto. We have the varsity jackets. Yes, there was a time that one was raining on our group. A lot of people wanted to learn how to make varsity jacket. It's inside this DVD and you can learn it in no time. Yoke designs, you can learn it. I did a video recently about yoke designs. You can actually get more details on that. This one, for somebody who hasn't done much in tailoring, who is just starting, this one is a volume 2. It says adapting basic skirt into blocks, adapting the basic blocks, adapting the basic skirt block into, okay, sorry, this one is A-shaped skirt, gathered skirt, pleated skirt, flared skirt, goddess, and introduction into bodies, introduction into necklines and sleeves, principles of cutting ankles. You get all that and more when you get our DVDs. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned one or two things with this draping class I showed you. Okay, most times a cast would already be done on that. Then you will now have your main fabric, the one you will use to do the draping. Okay, once you've done that, remember the second principle I told you. You will need to tack it down first. After tacking it down, you go into the ironing, and after the ironing, you can then sew into the size or proportion you want. I hope you enjoyed today's class, and I hope your questions have been answered. Is there any question that I need to know?
Okay, let me see. How much is the registration in April?
How much is registration in April? Generally, before now, registration is 135,000. If you are doing the bespoke, one for 3 months. If you are doing 6 months, it used to be a total of 235. If you are doing for 9 months, it used to be a total of 335. Okay, but right now, the 35K on it is taken out to buy you the sewing machine. So it means that this time around, when you pay your 135, you get a sewing machine. When you pay your 235, you also get a sewing machine. When you pay your 335,000, oh sorry, bless that one at 350. When you pay your 350,000 for the 9 months, you also get your sewing machine. If you want to do pattern drafting, that one is a little bit different from this one I just told you. For pattern drafting, it used to be a total of 150 for your a call came in. Okay, so it used to be a total of 150 for your 3 months class, 250 for the 6 months, and then 400 for the 9 months class. Now, coming on this, when you pay that amount of money, you get the sewing machine immediately. And it's in Lagos and is also happening in Abuja. Now, what if somebody comes to me and say, ma'am, actually, I would get my sewing machine later. I don't have the amount of money to get the sewing machine. It's not a problem. You can pay the exact amount you would be required to pay, minus the sewing machine, which you can buy at your convenience. If you don't want to come and carry the one we have already bought for you. So that's to say, if a sewing machine is about 30,000, right? And our school fees is 135, you will simply pay the 105 and use the remaining 30,000 to go and buy your machine. But if you are given assignments in school and you don't do it, and you are expected to buy sewing machine, or you are supposed to collect the one in the school and you did not collect, you're in trouble. You're in serious trouble because we provided it for you. Anyway, thank you so much.
Can you show us an already draped dress?
None I have here presently. But I can look for online and then post later on.